What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. My name is Cameron, and today we're going to be starting a new series where I teach you the tricks and you learn them. And yeah, the first trick is going to be an ollie. So let's get right into it. Hope you find this helpful. Alright guys, let's get into where you put your feet. Alright, so where you put your feet, I put my foot right there. This is all preference, keep that in mind. So wherever feels comfortable for you, you can put it up here, down here, in the middle. I usually do it in the middle because it gives me just the amount of time to slide up. If you have this, you have less time. But this might make it easier to level it out while you're just starting out. So that's what I would do. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be popping. When I pop, I usually put it on like the very tip, because that's how you're going to get as high of an ollie as you can. Because as you can see, it has way more spring when I put it up there versus like right here. But if you're a beginner, it might help you to just pop like this just starting out so that you can get comfortable with the way the board goes. And then the second step, you're gonna take your foot, and I put it in the middle. I feel like that's the spot that works the best for me because it's the perfect amount of time, I'd say, you know, to swipe up to level out the board. But yeah, you're just gonna like barely swipe. You don't want to push down too hard because then you'll get stuck. But after that, you're just gonna put it all together. So pop, roll the ankle, but just like gently roll it, and then jump forward. So you just want to go into it. You want to go with the board. So if your body is like this, you're gonna start out like that, but you don't want to lean back too much because then you'll just fall backwards. You want to lean just enough forward and just enough backward that you're like right in the center. It's all about centering yourself. It's just standard physics. I'm terrible at math, but that's what it is. It's just, you know, inertia. Object in motion stays in motion, or whatever that stuff is. But the most common mistakes I've seen when it comes with this trick is either people like, they'll turn their bodies like that, and a way to fix that is to keep this shoulder aligned with the back of the board, this shoulder aligned with the front of the board. That way your board will always be straight when you land. And that goes for all tricks too, so apply that to every trick you learn. Alright, so another one of the biggest mistakes I see when people are trying to learn how to ollie is they either like land on their toes and they like fall off the board like that, or they fall off this way like that. And the way to fix that is just to keep, like, I keep my trucks really loose, and that helps me kind of balance. I'm not saying loosen your trucks, like, that's not gonna make it any better. You just need to learn how to balance and like know your board. Keep the center of gravity like right here in the middle. It doesn't need to go this side, it doesn't need to go this side. Just right in the middle, right there. Anyways guys, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you were able to learn how to ollie. Quick message, if you guys keep trying this trick and you keep practicing, you will get better at it, and you will unlock doors to cooler and just fun tricks in the future, and it'll just help you appreciate skating more. Alright everybody, this has been another Sesh with Cam. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, leave a like and tick the notification bell so that you could get notifications when I post. Anyways, I will see you next week. Get out there and skate.